Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can enable store mode in your Hisense Smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to go to the right of your screen where you will find setting. Tap on settings. You need to scroll down where you will find system. So you need to go to the system, then scroll down and go to advanced system. So once you tap here, the first thing you will find is the store mode. As you can see up here, go there and enable the store mode. So once you do that, there will be a message will come here. They say initiate and you need to tap on confirm. So once you tap on confirm, as you can see now, store mode has been initiated. So guys, this is all it takes to turn on store mode on your Hisense Smart TV.